Hi, it's Jeff Lundblad again. Still opening boxes and bins from this large collection we purchased. We're going to open these online so you can see as we open them what we get. Everything will be for sale on our website, www.familylegacyestatesale.com. If you like the videos, keep watching for them. They'll be on our YouTube channel, or you can subscribe to us on Facebook, our Facebook page. Anyway, we'll just jump right in and open this one. I can see to the side, some of this is what we have. Let's go ahead and, looks like we've got a newer Reaction Super 7 Thundercats figure. And another Reaction Magic Armor Arthur. I'm not sure what series that's from. I'll have to do a little research on that. That's clearly in a Japanese card. And what do we have here? We've got some Action Man Action Force figures. This was an equivalent, I think it's a European equivalent to our G.I. Joe here. And this is from, let's see if we can see a date on here. Yeah, made in the United Kingdom. So as I said, it's kind of a competitor to G.I. Joe. And I am not seeing a date on this packaging, but I'm guessing it's from the 80s. So that's a Q-Force Aqua Trooper. I think I see another one over there. Grab that one. SAS Commando. He put them in nice rigid holders. We got a couple more over here. Let's grab these out. Action Force Z-Force Infantryman. Q-Force Sonar Officer. All mint on the cards. Q-Force Deep Sea Defender. Well, that's very neat. What do we have here? We've got a Star Wars figure, Prey Vizsla. And he had it in a more rigid case for some reason. I don't know that that figure's all that valuable, but we'll have to look at that. Ghosts and Goblins. 3-pack, also by Super 7 Reaction. And we've got another one. Looks like there's two different 3-packs there. And then we got some vintage real Ghostbusters, an original box. This is probably from around 1984. Let's see if I'm right. Yep, 1984. No, 1986 actually. Haunted Vehicles, Air Sickness. And one side is factory sealed, but it doesn't look like it's ever been taken out of the box. And I don't even see a piece, there was tape there at one time. So it looks like it's brand new in the box. We've got some hardbacks too from real Ghostbusters. And now we have some original Power Rangers. Oh, there's the yellow, that's Trinity, the yellow Ranger, but you can see she's loose in there, so she was taken out at one time. I'll have to sell that as open box. Here's the Red Ranger, now he's still secured in place. Jason. And we've got a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Ray Fillet. Let's see if this is an original or a re-release. 1990, so that's original. And he's a very cool figure, Ray Fillet. I know he had a couple of different variants on the color on his chest. I think there's a purple one and a yellow one, so I'll have to see which one is more valuable. And what do we got here? We've got some kind of Japanese train, probably die cast. Actually, it's more of a tin type toy. It's a wind up. You can see the engine's got a winding mechanism. for vehicle collectors. That'll be a neat item. And look at that, red tag special, $4.98. Ghost Sweeper. It's sealed on one side, let's see on the other. Looks like it's been taken out of the box at some point, but I'll have to make sure it's complete and has its streams and all that. But it's the original box, also probably 84 or 86. 1984 or 1986. And I'm not seeing a date right now. 1986, yeah. So, and one more. Another real Ghostbusters, look at that. $1.98. And Brain Blaster Ghost. I've had quite a few real Ghostbusters items over the years. That's actually kind of a scarce one. You don't really see that one very often. That's also from 1986. So, good thing about these stickers, for those of you that have come across figures that have stickers on them, if you take a blow dryer and heat up the sticker and take it off very slowly, you will not damage the card. Heat releases the adhesive and softens the adhesive. So if you ever have, give it some practice. Like this has a sticker on it as well. Just pulling that off, you'll probably tear the box, but if you heat it up, you won't. So anyway, got a lot of cool stuff, a lot of different stuff here. These will all be up for sale on our website, www.familylegacyestatetesale.com. Talk to you soon.